Hey guys, welcome back. This is my second video in my Entrepreneurship 101 series. This video is entitled, What is an Entrepreneur? So today we're going to talk about the definition of an entrepreneur and what are the qualities of an entrepreneur and what has to happen for an entrepreneur to be successful. So let's get started. This is my definition of an entrepreneur right here. It's someone who can take calculated risk to turn an opportunity into sustained value. Now, what that means is this person, who we call an entrepreneur, has the understanding to be able to put something in and get something out that was worth more than what they put in initially. And that's kind of hard to wrap your mind around at first, but then you realize that some people will buy things for more than what other people will. And because of that, we have this free trade dynamic where, sometimes you're going to be able to buy things for less, and sometimes you're going to be able to buy things for more, and selling works the same way. So an entrepreneur understands this theory and concept and philosophy and adjusts accordingly based upon the environment, the industry, the social and the cultural aspects of the area in which they do business. So the next thing I want to talk about is an entrepreneur is someone who is always looking for the next best investment. And basically what that means is an entrepreneur is not just going to sit around. They're not going to wait for something to fall out of the sky to tell them that it's time to invest or there's an opportunity to be found. What an entrepreneur does is they sit and watch. They talk to people, they read articles, they look at industry statistics, they look at what's new, what's hot, they look at what's not, and they see what is the best place for them to make a initial investment in order to get that sustained value. And that's the really tricky and important job of an entrepreneur, is understanding when to put the effort in, when to take it out, when to hold, and when to grow that investment, when to put more in actually. And we'll discuss that more in future videos. Right now, we're just going to lay the framework for what we're discussing. And the next thing I want to talk about is an entrepreneur is someone who listens, observes, and analyzes changes in the economic environment. So they're looking at that industry or that culture or business dynamic, and they listen to what people have to say, they watch, and they analyze those data points to come up with things that are going to be necessary in order to make decisions for their business. And I'm going to teach you how to do that in the next couple videos. And if you have any questions about your business in particular, either message me or put a comment below, and I'll get to you and we can discuss it further. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and hit the post notification bell button, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.